2025 and up to now, you're still not a virtual assistant. Why? What? Because you've been overthinking about your niche? OMG, nakakainis! Hey, it's Sean, the founder of Barangay VA University, and welcome to my latest series called Nakakainis, where I can prove to you that as early as now, you can be an effective virtual assistant. For this episode, we're going to talk about executive assistants. Just for everyone's information, we do have a Notion board where I will put all the dates of the 12 episodes of this series with the links and all the resources that will help you succeed with this specific niche. So please click the link in the description box, save that link, and go over that because we post every Saturdays, 9 p.m. Jam, what is an executive assistant? As an executive assistant, you lead the life, no? Both personal and professional life of the C-level people, C-level founders, CEOs, founders, entrepreneurs, okay? Your job is to, keep them away from doing small things so they can focus on bigger things and so that they'll have time with their family or with their personal life and with their professional life. And with their professional life, they can do bigger things, okay? So they can focus on high-level decisions. So what are the usual tasks, Jam? Usually, you take care of email and calendar management. Of course, all the meetings, you are the one who sets all the meetings and appointments, all the travel bookings, all the restaurant bookings, and all the bookings in the world. Of course, in the business, you do all the SOP creations, documentations, and all gatekeeping communications such as DMs, emails, calls, yung mga ganyan. And of course, a lot of admin tasks at the same time. Sometimes we will tell you to take care of their finances as well. So anything under the sun, okay? Anything under the sun. So what are the usual tools that they use? Number one, very big with Google Workspace. So when I say Google Workspace, we talked about that previously, right? It with OMI tools. So that's what you call the Google Mail, Google Calendar, Google Appointments, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and all the Googles in the world. Sometimes they're using Microsoft Outlook or the Microsoft 365, I think, or 360, bahala ka na dyan, it's a thought that counts. It's like the other side of Google. Of course, any project management tool like Notion, Airtable, ClickUp, Asana, Trello, of course, meeting tools such as Zoom or Gmeet, Calendly, and Slack for messaging. Of course, with the rise of AI, we can use Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, all these things. So what are the usual skills needed or experience as a future, as a future executive assistant? If you have a year or two of admin, experience, if you are confident in handling high level or special projects or confidential tasks, if you're already confident in working with other nationalities, if you have confidence in English, both written and verbal, and if you don't mind working at night, so this is for you. What were the jobs of the EAs before in the corporate world? Some were admin assistants, project coordinators, secretaries, EAs, but face-to-face. BPO team leaders, specifically the BPO support team, teachers, and many more. Ideal hobbies are like planning, journaling, organizing, calendar blocking, anything about organization and leading the life of other people. If you can lead your life through this, then you can lead other people's life at the same time. So are you the next executive assistant? Comment, I'm your future executive assistant in the comment section. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!